Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carpet shampoos that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bissell Febreze with Gain Oxy. Bissell is a giant in the carpet cleaning world, and the brand also delivers quality shampoos. The Bissell Febreze with Gain Oxy cleaner uses a proprietary oxygen-infused formulation to quickly mobilize, lift and penetrate stains and gunk lurking in your carpet. The shampoo also works to eliminate odors in the process. The shampoo's Gain Sundazin, the popular laundry detergent, is fresh and light, making your home feel cleaner without an overwhelming smell. This shampoo is free of heavy metals, phosphates and dyes, so you can focus on your clean floors and not a lurking residue. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nature's Miracle Carpet Shampoo. Nature's Miracle Carpet Shampoo is a fan favorite at Amazon, with an impressive 11,400 perfect reviews. The formula can be used with any water-based carpet cleaning machine or steam cleaner, and it's low foaming to reduce the risk of residue. This shampoo features bioenzymatic odor locking technology to help trap and lift away bad smells, leaving a fresh tropical blossom scent in its wake. The formula is designed to dig deep into your carpet fibers to pull out even the most stubborn stains and odors. At number 3, we have the Biokleen Carpet and Rug Shampoo Concentrate. Biokleen is a concentrated carpet shampoo that features plant-based ingredients and is biodegradable. The cleaner is safe for all washable fibers, including carpets, rugs, and textiles, so you can use it on your couch and recliner too. It's important to note that Biokleen isn't a sanitizing solution, so if you have a biohazard situation or pet mess, you may want to choose an option that contains chemicals. But if you're looking for a citrusy pick-me-up for your flooring, this is a great choice. At number 2, we have the Hoover Everyday Solution Deep Cleaning Carpet Shampoo. Carpet shampoos often leave a lingering scent, making it important to choose wisely. Hoover's Everyday Solution Carpet Cleaner features a fresh meadows scent that shoppers rave about. Many note that the smell is fresh but light, meaning it won't overpower your room. This carpet shampoo goes to work on old and new dirt and can be used on a range of surfaces, including carpet, upholstery, car interiors, and stairs. It's also free of phosphates, phthalates, and parabens to give you peace of mind. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell Multi-Surface Pet Formula. Bissell has a big focus on pets. The company has its own pet foundation that aims to save homeless pets. So it's hardly a surprise that Bissell would create a quality cleaner that's specially formulated to tackle pet messes. Since pets rarely stick to a designated location, this formula works on hard floors and carpets alike to tackle accidents, vomit, mud, dirt, and whatever else your pet dishes out. The formula contains Febreze for a gentle scent and is free of heavy metals, phosphates, and dyes. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.